Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play custom sounds with Razer Stream Controller X. And to do this, first you will need to download a loop deck from their official website. You can also check our previous video on how to do it. Then when it's installed, you should see something like this. We can click on this X button, go for custom sound. Then we need to enter our sound name. So let's go for Quack. Paste the path here to add via browse. I'm not sure. Okay, by browse. So you have an icon right here that you can click, and then it will open your file manager, and you can just select the file that you want to use as this sound. Then you will need to pick your output for this for a microphone or stream device that will play that sound. So choose whichever one you like, and then simply drag it to this plus button, so it goes like this. And now we can adjust those actions. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.